Hello, my name is Gavin Gardner. This is how to make the Headhunter. Please subscribe and press the notification buttons, and please leave a thumbs up. So here we go. So first, for this edge to this edge, it doesn't have to be exact, and flip it over so that you could open the bottom up. And then for this edge to this edge, make sure it lines up with the top. And then flip it over and do the same thing. And then unfold it. Not so it's like this, so it's like this, and then put it down. And then fold this corner to the middle crease, just like you're making a regular paper airplane, but we're not going to do that. There's something else we have to do, and this step's super important for our next step. And do the same thing on the other side. I might have said that twice, so sorry. And then do this, and make sure when you do that, this corner meets up with this edge. And then do the same, and then fold it like this, and do the same thing. Make sure that this edge aligns with this edge perfectly. And then unfold it, and fold this point down to the center crease. And then fold this point to the top. Make sure it aligns with the center crease too. And then unfold and fold this edge to that line we just made and the center crease. So then it should look like this. And then fold this up. And then do this. Then make sure this edge aligns with that edge. It's an important step for this plane. I didn't invent this plane, I got it from a book. So if you get that book, you might know how to make it. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then there you have it, the Nakamura. The Headhunter. This is how it flies. And that's it.